Keep your hand under him. There's number 4. He can grip. We kind of practice gripping so that he gets strength in his feet too. Just let him hang. There we go. And then I turn him a little bit. Just keep turning the thing just a little bit. Don't let him go. There. I just kind of hold him. Okay, now we're going to go back again on his back. Go back, Ellie, towards you. There we go. There. And he hangs. That's one of the exercises I've been doing. No, don't go all the way forward, Ellie. You can't go all the way forward because he'll go forward. But that's what I've been doing with him. And he grips pretty good. I'm still doing the leg exercises too. He did stand for about 10 seconds today. I was trying to get him to do it again, but he hasn't been able to. So I kind of plopped his little bottom down and he stood with his feet. And I didn't have to hold him, so maybe that's a good sign.